Hello everyone, welcome to our Decor channel. We are discuss some clay pot. You are seeing the water cooler and the dish with the lid. There are many colors in clay pots. There are original clay pot. Cooking is clay pot is much better than the normal untils. Clay pot is perfect for delicious cooking. Clay pots are beloved around the world for their ability to cook especially delicious food, concentrating flavors and retaining heat with ease from the micro can tangy to the Japanese donob. These vessels are not just hard-working cooking gear, they can go strength from oven and stove to table while looking as beautiful as their content taste. But cooking with the clay pots requires a bit of know-how since they are made of well clay. They perform differently than metal pots and pans. Check out these quick tips on seasoning, cleaning, and cooking before you get started. Donob flameware, Chinese clay pot, and bean pots combine a 4.1 ratio of cool water and cooked white rice. Fill the pot halfway. Set the top cover medium low heat. Bring it so summer and adjust the heat to maintain a gentle bubble until the rice soften into the porridge. Turn off heat and let stand until cool. Discard the porridge and clean the pot. Clay pot is looking very beautiful. This is traditional Japanese earthenware pot is versatile. Earthenware pot is ves- versatile cooking vessels that comes in the variety of shapes and size that are more tailored to their cooking use. For instance, the Duneb Komodo sun with the large domed lid, the excellent for cooking rice according the Noko Tiki Mori who sells the pot online and Orchard the cookbook Donob classic and modern Japanese clay pot cooking. The Donob creates fluffy, shiny rice grains. They are almost satisfying enough to eat along. Donob are also the classic cooking and serving vessels for the Japanese hot pot or nob, confirming one pot meal with meat or fish and vegetables cooked in both or sometimes soy milk. Earthen clay donob sha geo. Chinese clay pot or sha geo also run the gambit in term the shape and size. Braised and stewed dishes such as the tawasins, 3 cups chickens or shahi loin. Heated meatballs are traditionally cooked in Shah Geo. This ancient style of cooking has its fun. There are restaurants in devoted to Shah Geo cooking, although the probably won't filled clay pots in many modern urban kitchens in China today. If you like my idea, please like, share, and subscribe my channel.